The 21st staging of the Camperdown Classic took center stage at the Jamaica College Ashenheim Stadium on Saturday, where the 800-meter performances highlighted the morning session. Garfield Jones has that story.
Jamaica College and Hydel were the dominant schools, both winning 2 of the 3 classes across the 2-lap event. On the boys' side, JC dominated Class 3 by sweeping the medals. The impressive Ricardo Lee topped the field in 2 minutes 02.26 seconds, the second fastest time this season after Casey's Julius Itubo's 2 minutes 01.90 at the central hurdles and relays. Jovi Williams 2 minutes 03.35 and Mikaloi Saunders 2 minutes 04.62 also won their heats to finish second and third overall. In Class 2, former Class 3 champion Cavell Nooks gave JC another win, clocking a personal best 1 minute 56.90 to beat season leader Luke Plummer of Sydney Pagan, who crossed the line second in 1 minute 57.61. Another JC athlete, Bevin Davey, also produced a personal best 1 minute 59.32 to win his heat and finish third overall. The streak was, however, broken in Class 1 as Calabar High's DeJounte Lewis denied JC's former Class 2 champion Samuel Creary. Creary ended second in 1 minute 52.93 as Lewis held strong down the stretch to win on back-to-back weekends at the same venue.
Makes me feel good, show that I'm putting in the work and training hard. I'm doing my courses, and thank God that I come to another week injury-free and another chance to perform.
The feature race on the girls' side came in Class 2 with former Carifta Under-17 champion Kevin Gay Fowler of Edwin Alid outpacing the reigning Carifta Under-17 and Champs Class 2 winner Alike Reynolds of Alphonsus Davis. Fowler clocked a season's best 2 minutes 11.83 for the win, with Reynolds second in 2 minutes 13.41. Fowler has now beaten Reynolds in 4 races this season.
It tells me that I should be patient throughout everything because I've trained very good all season and I've been patient, so I'm grateful for the season best that I ran today.
Hydel won the remaining 2 classes with Trinidad and Tobago athlete O'Shea Cummings, who is ineligible for Champs 2026, winning Class 3 in 2 minutes 16.45, and Rihanna Morgan taking Class 1 in 2 minutes 12.26. Meanwhile, the 4x100 relays had 7 different winners. On the girls' side, where Edwin Allen were absent, Veer Technical won Class 4 in 49.14, Homewood took Class 3 in 47.31, St. Jago claimed Class 2 honors in 45.93, while Hydel secured Class 1 in 45.82. In boys' action, Woolmer's, the only school below 44 seconds, dominated Class 3 with 43.64. Kingston College topped Class 2 at 41.19, while Jamaica College copped Class 1 with a brisk 40.29 seconds. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.